Live big, live smart. The 40 feet by 20 feet double story modular home for affordable luxury living. Looking for an affordable yet stylish way to live or create the perfect getaway? The 40 feet by 20 foot double story modular home is your answer. This portable, prefabricated container house offers a fantastic, space-efficient solution with all the modern amenities you need. Imagine no more sky-high rent or endless construction projects, just move-in ready comfort. Whether you're setting up a guest house, an Airbnb, or looking for a modern, compact home for yourself, this modular beauty provides a fast, affordable alternative to traditional housing. Save time, money, and effort while living your best life. Why settle for a cramped apartment when you can have a 40 feet by 20 feet double-story home that's packed with functionality? This home comes with everything you need, including a fully fitted kitchen and a stylish bathroom. You don't have to compromise on quality just because you want a portable solution. The home features durable materials like steel frames, alloy steel, and high-grade aluminum, built to last. Whether you're entertaining guests on the spacious terrace or enjoying a quiet night in the one-bedroom layout, this home maximizes every inch. Affordable luxury is finally a reality. The days of complex installations and endless waiting are over. The 40 feet by 20 feet modular home is designed for easy assembly, making it a breeze to get up and running. It arrives ready to assemble with detailed instructions, so you won't need a team of experts or weeks of work. Whether you're turning it into a rental property, office space, or just your own personal getaway, you'll have it ready in no time. The portable design makes it perfect for temporary living or relocation, all while offering comfort, durability, and style in a compact, modern package. Looking for a modular home that fits your lifestyle and your budget? This home is versatile, catering to a wide range of uses. Ideal for Airbnb hosts, property owners needing a guest house, or even those looking to create a tiny home. The efficient use of space makes it a fantastic choice for off-grid living, eco-friendly homes, or budget-conscious individuals. Plus, the outdoor terrace provides the perfect spot for relaxation, outdoor activities, or entertaining guests. Get the most out of your property while saving on energy, space, and time. This container house is built to work for you. When you invest in the 40 feet by 20 foot double-story flat-pack home, you're investing in long-term value. Built with high-quality materials, this home is designed to be durable, low-maintenance, and energy-efficient. The steel frame ensures structural integrity, while the sustainable materials keep you comfortable year-round. With a one-bedroom layout and modern amenities, you're not just buying a house, you're buying a quality living experience. Say goodbye to high rent and hello to a customizable, compact, and portable solution that's ready to be your home for years to come. This isn't just a home, it's your future.